Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope you are doing fine at home. Welcome back to your English online class here. This is Sanchari ma'am and today we are going to discuss case study. So now case study is something that you have done in EVS but never in English, right? So today we will know what is case study and we will also discuss how questions will come from case study in your examination. Alright then, let us begin. So first let us enlighten ourselves about what is case study. This term case study has a heavyweight meaning attached to it. But for this standard, we will learn it in a simpler way. To explain it simply, we can say it like this, that a case study examines a person's specific challenge or goal and how he or she solves it. So what is a case study? It is a kind of a data or a piece of information that is kept recording someone's goals, targets or hardships. Imagine a person has faced some particular kind of trouble. Now if we keep a record of how he or she overcame that trouble, then that record will be called a case study. I hope you get it by now. Let us know, why do we need case study? Why is case study needed? What is the need of case study? Case study can be conducted by people associated to various professions such as psychologists. Now, psychologists are people who deal with our mind or understand what is going on in our mind. So, case study can be done by scientists. We know who scientists are, right? They stay with science. Then there is a profession called sociologists. These people deal with problems related to society. There are many other professions also who make this kind of case studies. Now they make these case studies for different purposes. Let us quickly see that. Let us begin with psychologists. As you can see in this picture, a girl is crying before a woman and discussing her problems. Psychologists are a kind of a doctor who deals with our mind. They help us to understand our problems and also to solve it. So when psychologists prepare case studies, they focus on the function of our brain. They try to understand how our brain works to solve a particular problem. So now next image is of a scientist. So scientists make case studies too. They make case studies to invent new formula and theories which will help us to advance. Next up is sociologists. They try to find the bridge between humans and society. They study how humans behave in society and how their behavior affects society through their case studies. Now all this that I have told, these are very theoretical. These are all what a case study is and what is the purpose of a case study, but I am sure it is still not clear to you entirely. To make it clearer, let me give you an example. Who is this personality, students? Do you know him? Of course you do. He is Yuvraj Singh, a former Indian cricketer. Now what is he doing here? Let us read this to understand what is he doing here. 2020 World Cup 2007. 6 sixes in an over against England. Vice captain of Indian cricket team for 2007 to 2008. A young, handsome and successful cricketer who is a true charmer. Yuvraj Singh, former Indian bowler, had cricket in his genes. Whether it was World Cup or ODI, he has always played with passion. It was during the time of World Cup when he would wake up in the middle of the night and would find it difficult to breathe and used to cough immensely. After the World Cup, a scan for chest cavity revealed a tumor, but like any of us, he could not believe it. And more than that, he ignored it. As for him, cancer meant leaving cricket. Therefore, he kept playing matches. It was only in January when the further tests revealed that tumor was malignant. A germ cell cancer called a mediastinal seminoma was diagnosed. It was located in between his heart and his lung, and it grew about 14 centimeters like a ball over his chest, which was a concern. And then came the time to face the fears, and he chose to face them in 2011. Cancer, one of the most common diseases in the world right now, which was once considered as a deadly disease whose name shakes a person from head to toe. But Yuvraj Singh chose to battle it out. In April 2012, Yuvraj made his comeback and is still the star of India. As you can understand, students, this passage is about the battle that Yuvraj Singh fought against the dangerous, life-threatening disease cancer and made a comeback. So this is a brief case study on a person who faced a certain trouble and overcame it. We can learn some important lessons from his life, right? This is how case studies help us. They help us by inspiring. Case studies can be big and complicated, but for this standard, we will only learn it as a comprehension. A passage will be given to you in your exam based on any real life struggle of any famous renowned personality, and 10 multiple choice questions will be asked. You will read the passage and choose the correct alternative. I hope I am able to make it clear to you what a case study is and how questions will come from there. We will meet again soon in the next video. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.